let's take a look at the back box. Just want to take a shot of some of the paperwork over there. And we'll go upper left to lower right. Just taking a look here. Now these relays, I'm going to make sure that they latch and unlatch. But you see that label right there, second player, and you see third player. Let me zoom out. I see 1, 2, 3, 4. Now the reason I'm doing this is where it says second player, that label, I don't know if that's where it goes. It was loose. But the third player is there. It's kind of glued on. So maybe I can assume that it's one player, second player, third player, fourth. I'm going to assume that at this time. But I just want to make sure the labels are right. Let me see if I can get to this guy here. This had been, the screws are removed. I imagine there was something wrong with it. Looks like there was some repairs done. So it says, I don't know if it says number match unit 81 to 86. We'll have to look into that, but you know, someone was here before me. If we look up here, player 1, score reels, 10s, 100s. We don't know what that means. Does it mean they did it? I'm going to look at some paperwork that this gentleman has that was with this when I bought it. One of the things we want to look at here is I want to activate this guy in such a manner. Let's see. I want probably making you sick looking at this. Okay. See if you can see those contacts moving. Opening, closing, opening, closing, opening, closing. And the contact that it's going, you know, what happens is this solenoid pulls in. This is called a relay, but the electromagnetic part, the electromagnet is called the solenoid. And it pulls it in, and you should see it move, and there's what we call wiping action to help keep these things clean. And of course, once pulled in, you'll see which contact should close. And so this guy here, I don't know if it's gummy. The contacts don't look bad. They're not shiny, but they're not bad. But when I go over on this side, and I activate this, it's not really turning. I'll have to take a look at that to see why. And then we'll reset it here. Yeah, that might be a bonus. Let's take a look at this guy. This is my credit counter. Okay, it does go up. And then this guy, I would imagine, should bring it down. Yes, it does. Okay. But I want to take a look at this because I had problems with the other counters. So I want to make sure that this thing's really working right, because it should. Let's see if we can do this. This should, you can see it's trying to move, but it's not really ratcheting all the way to the next position. So that is something that's got to get taken care of. And I'll show you that repair when I do it.